everyone, welcome to Anjurisa channel. And I'm back with my voiceover because I think this turban hat needs a little bit of explanation. So let's get started. Prepare a knit fabric or stretchy fabric, and I will show you how to determine the front and back side of a knit fabric. With the edge of fabric here, stretch this side, and knit fabric will always curl toward the front side. So this is the front side. Okay, that's how to determine the front side of a knit fabric. Prepare our first fabric. I will write the size on the screen. I always use the size of the hat circumference so it fits everyone. Fold the fabric in half and take it to the sewing machine to sew this part. Knit fabric is quite tricky to sew, and my secret is I'm using a special needle for knits. You can purchase this from the link in the description. And you can see the result. Prepare 4 pieces of clips or pins, and this is the back side. I'm going to pin the back side, front side, turn this over, pin the right side and left side. This is to easily mark the 4 sides of our turban hat. Prepare another fabric for the top side. The size is hat circumference divided by 3. Fold it in half twice, and we're gonna cut it into a circle shape. The shape doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna mark the 4 sides once again. This is to easily join both fabrics together. I'll start joining the fabrics. So take both pins together, remove one pin, and pin both fabrics together. Move to the other side. This is quite complicated if we don't use fabric clips. By using fabric clips or pins, I promise this becomes so easy. I'm going to sew both fabrics together. If you have a serger, it would be great. We sew around the circle, remove the clip, continue sewing, remove the clip, and so on. You can see here, if we turn the fabric inside out, it will look like this. Pin the 4 sides again. I promise you, this is easy. The back side, front side, turn it over, right side and left side. Put this aside and prepare another fabric for the band. Fold the fabric in half and prepare another fabric for the center bow. Fold it in half, and we're going to sew these parts. Turn the fabric. And this is the back side of our turban hat. I will fold it together. Yes, I will pin all 4 sides for the last time, I promise. So now, with the seam here, this is the back side of our turban hat. Take the center bow, fold it with the seam together. I will put it here in the middle and temporarily stitch this part. This is temporary, so you don't need a serger. Take our previous fabric, and the seam here is the back side. I will turn this first. Put the back sides together, remove one clip and clip both fabrics together. Move to the other side. If you love anything about turban hat, you can watch my previous tutorial that appears on the top right. I I prefer to use stretchy fabric to make a turban hat because it's more comfortable. But if you want to make this using cotton or other fabric, then go ahead. Next, I will sew around the turban hat. If you have a serger, it would be great. Our turban hat is almost finished. Prepare the last fabric for the bow. Fold it in half and sew this part. Turn the fabric inside out. This is the back side and this is the front side. I always tell you which one is the front side, so you will know which part should be hidden. I will slide the fabric through the loop here and with the front sides together, sew this part. I didn't cut the sewing thread and I put a needle here. Fold back and forth to make a beautiful bow shape. Use the sewing thread to tie the bow and secure it with needle. And then slide the bow to the loop here. You can start to see the turban hat. I will pin the back side here where the seam is visible. I will finish the back side. I don't have the exact measurement, but I always use the lines on my finger. I will pinch the fabric from these two lines and take it to the line here. Fold from these two lines and take it here. Let's take this to the sewing machine. If you want to know more about this, about how I usually finish the back side of my turban hat, you can watch the video that appears on the top right. You can see the back side is beautiful. For the piece here, I will stitch just a little to hold the bow. Just a little, make sure that the thread isn't visible on the other side. And our turban hat is finished. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you next time.